everyone. Today I'm going to try to use Calljmp to build a simple sentiment analyzer project. This agent will take some input text and will run LLM on it and analyze whether it's positive, negative. Pretty simple, but we will see sort of basic usage of Calljmp, some primitive CLI, workflows, LLM, observability, and such things. So we'll start from a folder. So I have already created a folder. It doesn't have anything really. And we're going to use our Calljmp CLI to initialize the project. So it creates a few files. Then we need to install dependencies. Since we use TypeScript here, so if I take a look here, it has a demo project. We can actually run it and see it actually works. So let's try that. We'll do Calljmp agent run. Since the first run, we need to build and deploy the agent to the cloud. So it deployed, started run. So we can actually see here an agent. And it should show us a list of agents, I think. So we'll let it run. We actually can go to observability. Take a look here. If we refresh the page, yes, here we see our demo project, first phase, our workflow, and agent complete. So the way it works is that you can see that we started the run, then we have a workflow phase, which has a phase and description and some result from it, and the final response. So as steps in the observability, we can see the input, we can see our first phase, which has a result, and then the final result of output of the actual agent. It's all stored and can be accessed for some time in during REST APIs, SDKs, and so on they provide, but it's out of scope for this video. So we're gonna change this code. We're gonna go ahead and call this. We're gonna call it sentiment analyzer, and description something like an agent analysis sentiment. Well, perfect. There is no version there. And we can do text. Wow, this we can actually make it simpler. We can say just analyze sentiment. The name is important because if you have multiple phases in execution, the name is used for effectively caching your results, so it doesn't call same phase many times. If let's say you have suspension in between steps, there are many more configurations. So it can take an object, as we've seen, sentiment scope, and so on. So for this we need actual LLM. So we import our LLM tool from our runtime. We're gonna call generate. And for generate, we will use inputs. So there are a few things, right? First, we need input of a system input of our actual prompt. So we're gonna just follow what, let's see what LLM gives us here. So you are sentiment analysis sentiment analysis expert, okay. Analyze sentiment of provided text and respond positive, negative, neutral. Okay, that's fine. And user analyze sentiment of the following text and provide the text. Okay, and return result. Well, now we can't really run this because it's gonna give us an error because we need to pass input. Now we actually expect a required input here. So obviously this will be undefined. So it's gonna be odd, some sort of odd result. Every time we change the code, obviously, we need to redeploy the agent, and it can take a little bit of time. It varies. So instead, we're gonna say, I did not like this movie. Let's deploy this agent. On dashboard, we can see we have an agent. It's the demo project, but it's gonna be changed now. So let's up-to-date this page. We can see it's changed now. It roughly costing 2 cents per each run at this moment. So here we're going to take a look at this run, and we can see response is negative because I did not like movie. But if I say I liked that movie and we run this again, we need not need to deploy it. We see it's running, and here we see the sentiment of the text is positive. Awesome. And that's pretty much it. Under 5 minutes we were able to create a durable execution of the agent. We were able to see results, observe them, we could deploy them, estimate cost, and yeah, hope you like it. If you have any questions, we have a X account, Calljmp, or you can find me as well. And yeah, check out docs, check out calljmp.com, dashboard, more videos to come. Bye.